Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a movie online application. This can only be found on the Amazon App Store, and I got it on my Google Pixel right now. I did find out that I had it on my Moto G5 Plus, Amazon Prime version of the Moto G5 Plus. It automatically appeared in my account on my Amazon App Store account. So for those that don't have an Amazon smartphone, it's powered by Android and it has Prime, exclusive applications and stuff like that on it, and you got it from Amazon Prime website. You have to silo the Amazon App Store via your Android device. So I'm going to show you guys that it's on my Google Pixel. Let's go to the movie tab, and I'm going to swipe over, and boom, here it is. This is the movie online application on my Pixel. I'm just showing you guys what they look like. This is the same exact application I showed you guys on my live stream last night. So this is the same app, and like I was trying to tell you, all that it is on the Amazon App Store. You have to silo this onto your Android device, whether it's an Android tablet or Android smartphone. Now, if you want to see, I can show you that it's in my apps category, my apps collection, and it's the first one that pops up because that was the last one I was using. So, yeah, that's how you get it. You can go through the browser. So let's just say I want to go through Chrome. All right, so I'm going to go through Chrome, and I want to type in Amazon. Okay, I think I've seen it already. It just said Amazon App Store. Okay, Amazon App Store. All right, so you find the one that says Amazon App Store, which is basically this one. You tap on that. It's going to send you to the website, and you just follow the instructions and sideload it and accept all permissions from the Chrome browser or Firefox browser, whichever browser you're using, to sideload the Amazon App Store onto your Android device. You don't necessarily have to go through all those extra settings and unknown sources. Just go through your browser, type in Amazon App Store, and it will pop up, and you'll be able to get this application, movie online, free movies, free HD movies. And as you can see, it has some of the latest movies from 2018, 2019. So yeah, here we go, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Has it been working for you? I tried it on all my devices, including the Fire Stick. I tried it on the Fire Tablet. I tried it on my Pixel. The videos work. I tried it on my Moto G5 Plus, which is a Prime exclusive device, and it works on there too because that's the Amazon App Store. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any issues, please leave those comments. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Discord, Telegram. All right, thanks for watching. I'm out.